Hi, I'm Roy Powell with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain, and today I'm here to talk about why this classic Ballard condo is the perfect fit for a first-time homebuyer. Come on in and let's chat. There are a lot of reasons to love this sweet one-bedroom condo and why I think it's a great option for a first-time home buyer. I'm going to share 5 reasons, but I also think you should come for a tour and see it yourself. Let's start with the neighborhood. This classic condo is located right off of Northwest Market Street in Ballard. You're a quick walk from the hustle and bustle of the main strip in Ballard, so you can easily meet up with your friends for a night out. Eventually. The Ballard vibe is young and fun with lots of breweries, bars, and coffee shops, so you can enjoy the energy of your new forever neighborhood. As a bonus, you can take a quick stroll to one of my favorite grocery stores in the city, Ballard Market. This classic Ballard condo is also spacious. With 680 square feet, you can stretch out and enjoy your first home purchase. I know before I bought my house, I was renting a tiny studio apartment for way too much money. Imagine having the security of a locked-in mortgage payment and the amount of space available with this spacious one-bedroom. The beauty of this one-bedroom condo, as opposed to what I'm seeing in the market right now, is you have the space for an actual bedroom, an actual living room, and a dining room. You don't really get that at this price point very often, and I think that's really special. Part of the joy of being a first-time homeowner is inviting people you love into your space so you can show it off a little. Another thing I really love about this condo is the excellent entertaining space. You have a big dining room table as well as a full living room. When the time is right, it's the perfect amount of space for a dinner party, watching the big game, or a night of board games with friends. Whether you're getting around by bike, car, or bus, I promise that you will find this condo convenient for getting to all modes of transportation. You're right near the bus line headed downtown and east, including the RapidRide D line. There's also a parking spot in this building's covered garage that's just yours. If you've ever tried to find a parking spot in Ballard on a Sunday morning, you know how important a dedicated parking spot can be. My last point, this condo is perfectly priced for the first-time homeowner. At this price, you won't be breaking the bank to purchase your first home, and you'll be able to bask in the security and comfort of your beautiful and classic Ballard condo. And you'll be a homeowner. As a bonus, this building has no rental cap, and that's really important because that means that when you are ready to go on and purchase a new home, you can then rent out this house and make passive income. If this is your first time buying a home, I would recommend swinging by and taking a look at this listing. It's a spacious condo and would be the perfect fit for someone looking to invest in their first home. It's also light and bright and on the top floor of a smaller building, which all makes it a very good first investment property as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more from Team Diva, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends. I'm Roy Powell with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain, and I'll see you again soon.